How to fix IPVanish VPN not working in China and other countries. IPVanish VPN apps are unlikely to work if you are attempting to connect to our VPN from inside of China or other countries that block our domain or website. Alternatively, you may be able to connect via a manual configuration by connecting to our server's IP addresses instead of our server names. However, please note that China, in particular, has started blacklisting our IP addresses too, so even this measure may not help. If you would still like to try to connect manually via our server IP addresses, we've linked our configuration guides below which will show you how to set up a manual connection on IPVanish supported operating systems. Please note that when any of the guides ask you to enter an IPVanish host name or server name, you will need to enter the IP address of your chosen server instead. Manual connection guides: Windows, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac, OS X, Android, Android OS, iOS, iPhone/iPad/iPod. In order to get the IP address of a particular server, you can do one of two things. 1. Ping the server name from your computer, will not work properly inside China. 2. Use a third-party website to convert the host name to an IP address. A Google search will give multiple options. Lastly, it is very important that you do not have any DNS leaks, IPv6 leaks, or WebRTC leaks after you have connected. Please check for them and correct the issue if it is detected. Failure to do so would negate the effectiveness of the VPN. If you have any trouble setting up a manual connection or if you have any other questions, just let IPVanish know and IPVanish support team will help as best as we can.